Okay, so we're in Clovis, California. We set a faucet for one of our clients here, and this is the Edwin, the 87028 SRS. And you can see right here on the side of the cabinet, inside down here, that's the sticker that came with it. So that's Moen. Their phone number's at the bottom right here, and then of course that's the model number. They have a limited lifetime guarantee, which is probably going to cover things like the cartridge. If it fails, things start dripping, hot and cold fluctuates. They'll send you a new part if the finish goes bad for some reason. Up to and including, they'll replace this faucet actually one time for free, and then they're done with you, but they'll replace all these components. That's why we like Moen. So this is hooked up. We've tested, run lots of water down here, little conflict down below where the weight is. You've got a lot of plumbing going on, you got hot and cold waters kind of in the way, and then of course you've got some filtration, and you can see where that weight's at. It's sitting on top, so it's moving up and down. If we put it lower, it'll give you more hose length, but probably what'll happen is when you go to pull it out, it's going to hit that shutoff valve right there, and it's going to get stuck. So we just put it on top. It doesn't pull out as far as we'd like, but that's that's just the way that it is. Soap dispenser, we put it in. Unfortunately, the bottle won't screw in because you've got some 1x4 piece of pine wood at the back of the cabinet that helps support the deck and the granite, and so this won't screw on. You can certainly look for like a skinnier bottle and screw it on there, but it's about a 1/2 inch off. When you go to put it in, it just hits, and you need to either take some of that wood out or just abandon it. Right now we just leave this in place. You can pretend like you have soap in there, but anyways, everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.